little female that's still available is right here. That's a little female that's still available. That little girl, and here's her back side. All right. Okay, and then this is the little male that's still available. Let me grab him. And here's the back side. Okay, this is a little female that is the number one, and she is sold. This one's sold. I just wanted to show her new parents. Again, the female that is not sold is still available. Right there. Female that is sold, I just sold her. And there's her little patch on her eye that they loved. Hi, sugar. Okay, this little guy right here, this little male is sold too. Let me get you guys so they can see you. And then here's my really dark one. He's sold. There. This is a little guy, and here's his backside for those guys. Okay, there's that little girl. She's moving around. But really quick again, this is a female that is not sold. She is still available. Little female. Here's her backside. There's that little black and white female. She's sold. This one right here is sold. I have to keep looking. It's a little boy that is sold. There's that little girl. She's okay. We'll just kind of keep doing this. Okay, and here's the little boy that is still available. Look at him. Okay, there you go. Female that's still available. Male that's still available. Little guy that's sold. He's kind of moving. Little guy that's sold. Where's his face? He's snipping. Okay. Little girl that's sold. And let me do you one more time. She got moving. Come here, honey. They want to see your face. Whoop. There she is, you guys. Aww. Okay, we're done.